This is All India Radio Shillong. The Northeast News Bulletin read by Sandeepan Chakravarti. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has stressed on the need for taking all measures to check the spread of second peak of coronavirus. He said to control the situation there is need for quick and decisive actions. In the last 1 week, 70 districts of the country have reported 150% surge in COVID cases. Addressing a meeting held with chief ministers of states and union territories yesterday, the Prime Minister said that where the country has reached today in the battle against corona, the confidence that came from it should not be turned into carelessness. He said it should be ensured that people do not go into panic mode but take initiatives to get rid from the problems of pandemic. In Assam, 345 candidates are in the fray in the second phase of polls, while 33 candidates have withdrawn their nomination papers. State BJP President Ranjit Kumar Das filed nomination papers at Patachar Kochi yesterday. Several senior leaders of the NDA accompanied him. Senior Minister Chandra Mohan Patwari also submitted nomination yesterday. Patwari will seek re-election from Dharmapur Assembly constituency. Several Congress AIUDF candidates also filed nominations for the third phase. Senior BJP leader Sarbananda Sonowal addressed a poll rally at Patsala. The convener of NEDA, Himanta Biswa Sarma, addressed a rally at Barampur. Congress MP Pradyut Bordoloi held rallies at Tinsukia district. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma told the State Assembly that the state government had sent the DO letter to the Union Home Minister on the 25th August 2020, followed by a DO letter dated 17 November 2020 to urge upon the Government of India to strongly consider on the proposal for inclusion of Khasi and Garo languages in the 8th schedule of the Indian Constitution. Replying to the question raised by opposition Congress legislator Mohinder Absang, who wanted to know the steps taken by the state government to pressure the union government for inclusion of Khasi and Garo languages on the 8th schedule of the Constitution, Sangma said that recently, during the visit of the Union Home Minister to the state on the 23rd January 2021, a memorandum was submitted where the matter also included for his kind consideration. The Chief Minister also informed that the DO letter was sent to the chairperson of National Commission for Scheduled Tribes on the 28th May 2019, urging upon him to follow up the matter with the Government of India. Meghalaya Education Minister Lakshman Rinboi informed the State Assembly yesterday that the regularization of teachers under RMSA cannot be considered since the teachers under the scheme are appointed under contractual basis and signing of agreement is mandatory for any contract. Replying to a zero-hour notice moved by Mawsynjam MLA H.M. Shangplyang on the RMSA teachers, Rinboi said that in view of the teachers' resignation and filing up of vacant posts, the state authority mission approves to all posts and filling up these vacant posts does take time due to adherence of procedures. Earlier, the minister also informed that Union Ministry of Education has approved 81 secondary schools in the state and government has made 79 schools operational with recruitment of 379 assistant teachers, of which 63 are headmasters and 316 are assistant teachers. Sikkim government has issued a new notification listing measures to contain COVID-19. All commercial establishments, including restaurants, bars, nightclubs, discos, gyms and pubs will be closed by 10 p.m. with exemption for in-house guests. Vehicular movement from 10:30 p.m. to 6 a.m. will not be permitted, exempting emergency purposes and commercial vehicles. Moreover, all schools, institutions and establishments should maintain social distancing and ensure the use of sanitizer and face masks. The Chief Minister, P.S. Thamang, had announced a night curfew after 10 p.m. and restrictions on vehicular movement after 10:30 p.m. to guard against COVID-19. And with that, we end the Northeast News Bulletin from All India Radio Shillong. Have a nice day.